So guys, welcome to my channel and how to download the Gigabyte motherboard driver. So you have to come this website first. So first come on this gigabyte.com, it's the official website, so you can download the driver. Then this is search button. Then enter your model number of motherboard. Then enter H510M DS2 and hit enter. Then click on the product. After that you can see this is your title of motherboard to click. Then click on support. Select your operating system, which is require Windows 10 and 11. So both of installations process same. Okay, so first guys download. After that I show you installation. So first audio driver, this is audio driver, and just click on this icon so you can download the driver. It will click to start. You can see here start downloading. Chipset driver, Intel NF, just click to download. Serial driver and just click to download. LAN driver, Realtek LAN driver, and just click to download. VGA driver, download, click on the download icon. When you click it's completed, then I show you install how to complete this task. So now you can click on this is download folder, so you can see, and just complete first and then show you. So this is your driver. Okay, so one by one just extract first. So right click and show more, extract all. Okay, and same locations. If you have two other locations, so you can browse and change it, otherwise you just click to extract. It is completed. So after complete it will open, so just close it. Then LAN driver, so right click, show more, and click on extract all. Then same location, same close. Then chipset driver, extract all, same location. So one by one extract all. Then last Realtek audio. Okay, this is extracted. So this 5 data is extracted. So first open one, just select the right click, run as administrator. Then click on yes. Now this is extracting to your system. So you can see this is Intel SD graphic driver. So might be it will take some time to install, okay, because this is heavy file, heavy driver. So wait few seconds and will automatically close it. So means this is installed, and then close it. Again go to this folder. So this one completed, then this LAN driver, then LAN driver, open one by one, download, and just open and double click and then click on yes. Now you can see this is first extract. Real Ethernet control device. Then next, now this is installing driver, and then okay, and then finish it. Then back, then serial means chipset driver. So find out setup, just right click to run as administrator, then click on yes. Then finish next to install. Okay, this is INF update. So this is also for same for chipset. So just this is setup chipset, just right click to run as administrator, then click on yes. Then next, accept, installed. And then okay. Then last one, and this is pending, graphic card pending. So graphic card, just select right click and run as administrator. Nothing. Now you can see this is installing. And it is closed, then done. So you can guys one by one install, find out setup. So this is setup exe, right click, then run as administrator, and then yes. Now you can see this is installing. Then next, and no, and finish. After you install the all driver, after that restart your system.